It is the first official reaction of the JPC chief on media reports regarding Dayanidhi Maran's role in an alleged telecom scam.
If Raja, the then telecom minister, if he had got 200 crore rupees as kickback, Dayanidhi Maran, who was also the former telecom minister, may have got 700 crore rupees as kickbacks. How serious are these reports and allegations?
No, these are all newspaper reports. We are not here to make any comment on the newspaper reports. There may be reports, there may be corruption, there many people may be involved. Whatever we say should be our conclusion, our own conclusion. We are gathering information from various sources and agencies to know what is the truth and who got how much is not before us. So on the newspaper reports, we cannot make any comment also. And whether Raja made money or Maran made money is not before us now. These are all media reports. And I am not here to deny that or agree that.
So I'm sure you have the documents, and as per the documents that we have in Times Now, there is considerable proof to show that while Aircel had applied for license in 2004, Maran had kept it on hold for 2 long years. So Maran had given license only till 2006. Generally, the feeling is that Maran did this in order to pressurize Aircel into selling its stakes to Maxis. How are you seeing this?
This is all your statement, ma'am. What do I say about that? Because, this is your information. But as far as the committee is concerned, we are entirely on a different footing. We are not for a witch hunting. We are not after somebody. We are there that, the licensing policy, the spectrum pricing policy, the licensing policy, the procedure adopted is right or wrong. We are going with a definite in terms of reference. And who is coming in that way, who is affected is immaterial. So I don't want to make any comment on a particular individual because, we have a definite terms of reference which is adopted by the parliament in its collective wisdom. So we are going by that terms of reference. In that, who is coming, who is not coming is, we are not looking into that. We have nobody's face in our mind. Yeah. We are going with total objectivity.
So, this is not what only the media is saying, but even Shivraj Patil's report, Mr. Shivraj Patil's report also says that Maran had wantedly, the DOT headed by Maran then had delayed in giving clearance to Aircel. So I'm sure you have those reports with you. How do you see this?
No, so many reports are there. One-man committee report is before us and so many other reports are there, but we have to discuss issue by issue and come to our own conclusion. And we are not looking into the issue whether X has gained something, Y has benefited something. That is not what we are looking into.